Starting a business in Dubai is not just about having a great idea. It's about setting it up correctly and structuring the company properly. From opening a trade license to having an establishment card to give visas for your employees as well as yourself to having a corporate bank account, everything has to be done accurately. As someone like me who has helped many entrepreneurs set up their company in Dubai and get their residency visa, I will guide you step by step how you can set up a business in the UAE and get a residency visa for yourself and your employees. That way you can avoid all the unnecessary problems and get a hassle-free setup without going through major issues which many entrepreneurs go through when they're setting it up without knowing the correct process. My name is Naeem Baksh and I'm the founder of Incubator, which is a corporate service provider based in Dubai. We help investors, entrepreneurs relocate from all around the world in Dubai by setting up their companies and having their residency in the UAE. In this video, I'm going to explain the entire process how you can set up your company and get a residency visa as well as a corporate bank account so that you can run your business seamlessly. Successful business needs to know what sort of trade license they should be going for, be it a free zone or a mainland. Now it depends what sort of business are you planning to do. The first step would be acquiring the company name by registering in the right jurisdiction and then preparing the right documents for your company, deciding the number of shareholders and the number of employees you're going to have in your company, coordinating it with the right jurisdiction, be it a free zone or a mainland, and not to forget the third party approvals and the extra approvals that's required according to your business. Once these steps are done correctly, you can avoid a lot of unnecessary fees later on. After you set up your company and get your trade license, you need to apply for an establishment card. It works as a bridge for your company and immigration. It basically helps you get visas for yourself as well as your employees. Once the establishment card is out, you decide how many visas do you require, be it for your family and yourself or for your employees. According to whatever number you need to be applying with the jurisdiction. Once you are done applying for the visas and the visa allocation, you need to be getting an entry permit for the number of people who's coming to Dubai. The entry permit can only be given if the person has entered Dubai or has got a tourist visa. After the person has entered Dubai, they have to go through a medical test and biometrics. After you're done with the medicals, you have to go with the biometrics, which is your fingerprint. Once you're done with these steps, you will soon receive your residency and within a week, you will receive your Emirates ID. Once you have received your Emirates ID, now we can apply for your corporate bank account as well as your personal bank account. You need to figure out what sort of banking works for you. Currently, we are partnered with various banks all across UAE and certain banks work for certain businesses, whereas personal banks are pretty much good for everything. When you submit your documents, you need to make sure that every document is proper and correct so that banks do not delay your process of setting up your bank account. As a corporate service provider, our company helps with other services as well as accounting, bookkeeping, audit reports, auditing, and corporate tax filing, corporate tax registration, VAT filing, VAT registration. Not only that, we also guide many clients with golden visas. Furthermore, we are a business consultancy which helps businesses grow and expand in the UAE market. If you're planning to start your business in the UAE and you don't want to go through all this hassle of paperwork, click the link down below and one of my team members will get in touch with you.